Welcome to my YouTube channel. Prepositions. Let's dive in. In. The ball in the box. On. The book is on the table. Under. The dog is under the chair. Near. The cat is near the tree. Behind. The fox is behind the tree. In front of. The teacher is in front of the class. Next to. The bicycle next to the car. Between. The garbage is between the bins. Above. The sun is above the clouds. Below. The shoes below under the bed. At. Meet me at the coffee shop. To. I use pencil to write. From. He takes a book from shelf. With. I go with my mother. By. She came by bus. For. We eat food for energy. About. We are talking about animals. After. We play after school. Before. Wash your hands before eating. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.